White Lion Athletics 60-pound adjustable sandbag. Take 32. We want to give you an up close and personal look at the sandbag and give you the full rundown of the product specs. Come over here and have a look. We're going to give you the full rundown and let you see all the details that go into making this sandbag what it is. The 8 handles that make up the 4 sets found on the White Lion Athletics 60-pound adjustable sandbag make it an extremely versatile training tool that can be easily brought into your training. The exterior shell bag, as well as the 6 individual fill bags that go inside, are constructed with heavy-duty abrasion-resistant 1050D nylon. The handles, as well as all of the exterior strapping, is made of 2,000-pound test, durable, heavy-duty nylon webbing. The handles are secured to the shell bag with double box stitching with a high tensile strength thread. A thread like this, oh jeez. I've got more cuts in my hand than anything else now. If I keep it wrong, we'll cut that. The exterior shell bag is sealed with heavy duty velcro. The first seal is heavy duty velcro. An industrial grade YKK zipper. For easy opening and easy closing, this zipper will be sure to last all of your training sessions. These fill bags come with a double velcro seal to ensure that the sand or rubber mulch that you put inside the bag stays inside the bag. Sand. And once again, after the bag is filled, seal it nice and tight, ensure there are no gaps, and then fold it over one more time and seal it tight again. When you pick up our sandbag, you get our full support with your training. You have access to our full video training library with over 70 videos and exercise fundamentals of how to safely and effectively train with your sandbag. There's also 6 hours of full-length training as well. We train right along with you. Go. Last set. For introductory and intermediate to advanced training sessions. That are uncut, unedited, full sets and reps included. Mostly because like low back taxed, core taxed, quads, taxed, everything is pretty tired. To give you the best start for your sandbag training. We also give you a full colored PDF with over 65 exercises that detail step by step on how to safely and consistently execute the exercises. There's also over 120 full color high resolution images multiple angles that show you how to best execute the exercises. Thanks very much for letting us bring another White Lion Athletics product into your training. and we hope to hear from you and see what you get up to with this sandbag.